Hey friends, welcome to the neighborhood. My name is Chad. I am the visionary for Groen Landscape. We're so excited to have you in our area, and we want to let you know that there is somebody in your life that wants to be in your life for life. We are your landscapers and contractors for life. Whether you're going to do our Grow 365 program, which covers all of your lawn care and maintenance needs and winter snow removal, or if you got a big vision and you're looking to dream big, build to last, share the good, and do the right thing, we are your contractor for all outdoor living space and your interior basement remodels. So check us out. We'd love to get to know you and welcome you to the neighborhood with a big bang, starting on the outside of your front door and bringing it all the way to water's edge by your pool.